Hey. What's up, people? What's everybody doing on this lovely Sunday morning? Good morning, everybody. Now, it is cloudy as a mother out today. It's supposed to start raining around 7 o'clock p.m. So we've got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Hike around and burn, of course. But a bunch of dirt bikes just went by and a quad. Now there's two people on the quad. And the one guy had a chainsaw. Wonder what they're going to be doing down here with that chainsaw. Probably he's cutting it down trades across the trail or something, but you never know. He might like carving something cool into a down tree, you know? It happens down here. But right now, I'm gonna try to find a place to wake and bake. Where can we go? There's a few spots I could think of. Just off the top of my head, you know? Well, I just passed Home Ave back there. So we're in between Home Ave and the Boulevard, heading like northwest. I don't hear no chainsaw yet, so guess we're not close to that down tree or whatever. Who knows? Might just brought it back here just in case they needed it, you know? Actually, hold up. I hear a chainsaw. Brum brum. So it must be a down tree or something up here. We shall see. What's that over there? Still hoping to find some antlers back here somewhere. You never know. Somebody over there. It's a little dam right after Home Ave. Got my bearskin hoodie on today because it's a bit chilly out here. Bearskin brand hoodie. And it's supposed to rain a little bit later. So I didn't know if it was actually going to be raining when I was down here still or what. So I came prepared. But yeah, this bearskin hoodie's awesome. Awesome. Now, it's not really made out of bearskin. That's just the brand name. Look them up. They're really good. Really good. I'm going to get the hoodie raincoat combination dealie. That's my next. But yeah, these bearskin hoodies are the shit. They got so many pockets in them. You can put your own little patches on the sides because they got the Velcro thing there. I guess it was what makes it like a tactical thing, whatever, but we got a bunch of pockets all up and down. 2 on each arm. I even got my spare lighter in this arm. Went and bought a lighter today since I'm always losing mine. I like to have more than one lighter on me. My luck, that shit would go dead when I'm trying to have a fucking video burning, and I won't be able to burn, you know? That tree over there, it's got the orange on it. The orange spray paint to market. I wonder what that's about. Getting closer to that chainsaw. Probably can hear it pretty good now. Right in here a few years ago, I found a bunch of bones, like deer bones and all, but no skulls, no antlers. It was just like ribs and the pelvic bone and shit. Not really wanted to keep, you know? I'm looking for antlers and skulls. Oh shit, here comes a dirt bike. Damn, you see me jump? Right. What a dick. Look at all that dust. Fucking dick. Hold up. Yeah, it's empty. I was hoping. I was gonna say, what, more free beer? I've been the shit. What's going on up here? I think one of them wiped out. Wonder what they're doing. Looks like they're cutting up a bunch of down trees. Maybe to make a trail. Maybe some free firewood. I don't know what doing something back there. They all parked their dirt bikes. Sounds like they got more than one chainsaw. Ooh, jet just took off. Jet just took off. I don't know if I captured it, but I'm sure you can hear it. Where are we gonna burn? So indecisive. There's so many spots, you know what I mean? So many spots, so many spots. But eventually, there's dudes back there cutting up trees and all with their dirt bikes and quads. Somebody's gonna come walking through here and he's gonna call the cops on them. Oh, pretty sure it's illegal to be riding dirt bikes down here for one, and for two, to be cutting up trees. Now, they're not cutting down trees, they're cutting up trees that are already down, but they're like off, like up there, say. They're not, the trees aren't over the trail, you know what I mean? So where if they were cutting up the tree that's across the trail, they'd be doing a favor, you know? Doing like a public service. That's not the case. I think they're trying to make a bunch of trails right there. Or maybe cutting shit up for firewood, you know? Who knows? Who knows what they're doing? They might be taking a piece out to go make a surfboard. Who knows? Imagine. Yeah, I'm sure people have done it a bunch. You find like a good tree that produces good wood for surfboards and shit. I don't know nothing about that, but I'm sure people do that shit all the time. Make their own surfboards and all, you know? Is in that one surfing penguin movie from Pixar? Forget the name of that damn movie. Oh damn, that might be a deer. Oh yeah, it sounds like a couple deer up in there. First I thought it was just a squirrel. Damn. Chill, deer. I thought I saw one over there. He was like that with these sunglasses. I think it might be a bit cloudy for these sunglasses, but I don't care. I want them on for the video. Because I look fucking cool. Ooh, got an itch. Felt like something crawling on my head. But on the inside of the hat. Hope not. Hope it's just my hair's moving around. There's definitely some shit moving around in the brush. As I say it some more. I think that is definitely a squirrel. Yeah, that one's a squirrel. Squirrel! This plane taking off. They look a lot ooh, hey now. They look a lot lower in person than they do in this video. Well, Northeast Airport's like right over there. We're approaching the Roosevelt Boulevard. Oh, that's fucking cool. Check out this fucking spray paint. That's fucking rad. It looks like Elvira. That's rad. You can see it through there. Isn't that cool? You get close. Let me get closer. Let me turn you around. Like, but yeah, isn't that cool? Anyway, whoever did this is pretty fucking talented, I'd say. That is pretty cool. What is that, QVC over there? That's what they tagged it. Oh yeah. 1993, that's what that stands for. I was 14. But yeah, this is done well. This is the kind of spray paint graffiti I like to see. You know, shit that's fucking very artistic. You know, this is awesome. Whoever did this, you did a really good fucking job. Hells yeah. Yeah, that's done pretty well. I like it. Well, whoever, ooh, there's mud. Whoever QVC is, there you go. I got you in my video, QVC. That's pretty cool though, right? That's rad. That's new as shit, because that wasn't here the last time I was down here. That was like 2 weeks ago. I think it was the Saturday before Halloween, actually. Yeah. That I was down in this area of the park. I've been down in the park since then, but this area right here. Whoa! Fucking buck just ran right past me. I didn't even see the fucker. Holy shit balls. He's back there now, but fuck, dude. He had a whole fucking rack. He had a nice rack. Cool graffiti. Nah, just the huge. Somebody fucked that one up. The airbender guy. I wonder where that buck went. Probably went up top. That buck go up that way?
He did.
It ran right past me on the trail back there on the other side of the bridge.
Yeah, it was really cool. I'm trying to get a picture of him, but he got in between those trees. I couldn't see him.
Went right up, right?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of dirt bikers back there.
Yeah,
So
they're
spooked them.
fucking everything up, man.
No, it spooked them, so.
Crazy.
Scared the shit out of me.
The buck did?
The buck did. I
Yeah.
didn't even hear it until it was right there next to me, from like here to like that tree away.
Odd time of day to see them, too.
Yeah?
It's a little early to be out. It's a little early for them to be out.
Yeah.
So, are you from around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Princeton and Frankfurt.
Okay, yeah. So, I live right up the top
I'm
of
a
the hill
YouTuber actually. I'm the Stoned Hiker.
here. What's it called?
The Stoned Hiker.
The Stoned Hiker.
Yeah, like getting stoned.
There you go. I got that.
You know,
All right.
I got hurt at work
all right.
and broke my back, many surgeries. Doctors are like, walk as much as you can. Now they can walk a distance in the park. I come in behind like Austin Meehan, right off of Ryan Ave.
Sure.
You know, and You know, I just video
Have
my
you done
hikes.
any epic hikes that you've done or no?
You know, nothing like crazy because I can't really push myself too far.
Okay.
So I'm out here basically just for like physical and mental therapy.
All right. Well,
You
that's
know.
good. That's
So, you know,
it's cheaper than doctors than alcohol.
yeah, the marijuana. You know, I got my marijuana card and all that.
There you go.
You know, I drink a couple beers out here. You know, sometimes. You know, I'll bring like 3 beers out with me to make the walk a little bit more comfortable. But I mainly, you know, I'll find a nice spot, nice down tree to sit on. This thing turns into a tripod. I'll set it up. You know what I mean?
That's pretty cool.
So,
Pretty cool.
yeah, man. But yeah, I'm the Stone Hiker. I've been doing it for about 2.5 years. Just got just over 1,000 subscribers.
My wife and I do a bunch of hiking.
But yeah,
on vacations.
I've
and
hiked
stuff.
from the river all the way up to Pine Road. Not in one hike, but I've gotten videos from the river all the way up.
That's a good hike. Up
All
and
the
back,
way
it's
up.
about 17 miles, I guess.
Yeah, something like that. It's like a little under 9 miles, right?
One way, yeah.
One way, yeah.
Yeah, I used to ride my bike out there, and then I enjoy this. I enjoy getting out. But
Oh, hell yeah. I've been hanging down here since 94. I was 15.
yeah,
I used to live at Decatur and Frankfurt then.
okay.
But, you know, been hiking all over. But there's this hidden art trail that's on the other side of the bridge, but up there behind the maintenance building, like
Yes.
where all the pines are,
Right.
like at Winchester and the Boulevard. And there's this little trail out there. This guy named Roland and his wife. He works for the environmental center, and he's been back here for a long time. He does a lot of stuff for the park and all. But there's a lot of down trees, and he made a trail, him and his wife, and they carved little birds in the trees and shit.
Oh, that's pretty
In
cool.
the down trees and all. I got a bunch of videos of that, and the sculptures that are on the other side of the environmental center, in between Pine and Veree, on the dirt trail side.
Okay.
There's 3 sculptures. An artist named Ed Levine did them back in 2003.
Yeah.
And there's this one. It's like this hut. Pretty cool. It's made out of like these petrified wood, not petrified wood, like a telephone pole.
Okay.
You know, it's green. What is it called? Pressure treated wood.
Okay.
So it won't rot.
Have you found Thoreau's hut over?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Is that
yeah,
what
that's
you're talking about? Okay,
that's exactly what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Thoreau's hut. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
It's like made of like telephone poles. It looks like.
Right. Yeah.
You know,
it's supposed to be
pretty
scaled
cool.
to
The cabin.
Thoreau's. Yeah.
To his cabin or something. I looked it up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know,
So,
it's pretty cool. Wait, my real name's Clem.
Clem, I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, my friend.
Nice to meet you. Right on.
Do well. Stay healthy.
Hey, you too.
Keep
Right
hiking.
on. Right on. You too. Right on. That was a nice gentleman. There's a lot of cool people down here. Yeah, you know, sometimes you get bad apples. Some bad apples, you know. But for the most part, really cool people hang down here. I think we're gonna go on that side and burn. Right on the other side. We're at the waterfall, obviously. Check it out. Waterfall at the Roosevelt Boulevard. Gonna go over the footbridge right here. You know, that buck scared the shit out of me. Watch that fucker be right up here too. I just heard something. I heard something. Squirrels and birds rustling around in the leaves. Yeah, I guess we'll smoke at the waterfall. Fuck it. Got an empty water bottle I need to throw away anyway. Trash can right up here. I think I gotta pee. Yeah, I'd rather go pee now before I'm sitting back there at the waterfall in the middle of smoking, you know? Where can we pee? The trail right up here, I'd take a piss. Right up here. Oh, geez. All right, people. To the waterfall. Got this strand of weed on me called Mr. Nice Guy. Mr. Nice Guy. Anybody heard of it? I didn't look it up. I forgot to look it up to see what it was. You know, so if anybody wants to look it up, put it in the comments. Just let me know if it's a, you know, sativa, indica, hybrid. It's really, you know, all I need to know, because I'm about to find out what it tastes like, what it smells like, and all that shit, you know? So. We burned right at the waterfall. There's 2 people there already, but I don't care. We're burning there anyway. Look like they're fishing. Fishing. Fisher people. The quadders are back. Across the creek there. Here they come. Oh, they stopped. But they're over there. See them across the creek there. All right, people. Let's go tripod. Well, I was going to burn here. Look at all the dudes over there. With their dirt bikes. See how fucking dusty they made it? Look at all that dust. Oh, that dust. Turfing it up. Somebody already over there burning, huh? Wearing orange down there. Fucking dust everywhere. Made it dusty as shit down here right now. Well, fuck it, let's burn, right? Got my bag. Trusty bag. Somebody's gonna get pissed off. Eventually call the cops on these guys. That's typically what happens. But the cops, they never show. They never show. Didn't look like it was clear. Gonna put a whole bud in there. Fuck it. Ain't got time to grind it. Tell you, I can feel it in my lips. The dust is crazy. Yeah. It's going to blow my nose real good when I get home. All right, we got some Mr. Nice Guy. Got a little bit in there. Just put a little bud in there because I just want to smoke real quick, feel a little better, loosen up a bit, and get out of this area because these fuckers made it super dusty. You know what I mean? Super dusty. Oh yeah. What's up, man? How the hell are you? See all the fucking dust these fuckers are staring up over here?
Who?
The dirt bikers, man. Oh, see, dude, you just saw it a minute ago, man. It's fucking dusty. Like the dust is rolling across the water.
You see, you got your shit going.
Yeah, man. It's about to burn.
Okay.
You know. You know how I do, but yeah, it looks foggy. It didn't look foggy 10 minutes ago, man. But that's
dusty as shit.
That's all that dust, man.
Looks like a desert.
They got a chainsaw and shit. They're like making trails and I don't know what they're doing.
Yeah, that's the time of the year. Like as you can see through the bush now.
Yep.
Shit's dead. It's easy to cut.
Yep. I don't know if they're making trails or getting free firewood. Either way, man.
Either way,
Whatever.
it's all out of here, right?
Yeah, right. Hey, man, it's good to see you, dude. Right on, man. Oh yeah. It's running all kinds of people back here these days. All right, let's burn. Smoke them if you got them, people. Tastes real fruity. But yeah, it's got like a pine taste to it a bit. A little bit. Woo! A little bit. Getting a little warm. All that dust in the air. I mean, it's a bit warm. I have a marijuana shirt on. It's not one of mine though. Just a normal pot leaf. You know. Break it up a bit in there so it burns better. I'm surprised there's a bunch of people down here today. It's supposed to rain. Usually people don't come down when it's going to rain and all. A lot of people like to go nature walking after church. You'll see a lot of people on Sunday down here and they're all like dressed up as if they're like, you know, they're just wearing their church attire, their church wear, whatever you call it, to where they look really nice for the park, you know. They look like they're too nice to be in the park, but it's cool. You know, take a nature walk after church. Why not? Why not? See a bit better. I got something in my eyeball again. Probably that fucking dust. Fuckers. I mean, they're over there having fun and all. But they're tearing it up. Picking up all that dust. I guess it's better. It's better than if they were out here doing it when it's all muddy, making ruts. So that's not fun. Those ruts will stay there for a while. Because the airplane's taking off today, so I guess that's normal. It seems like, it just always seems like there's a lot. So probably is. Still over there fucking with their dirt bikes. I can hear them. I thought they went further up trail, but apparently they did not. Sit down for a sec, right? Ladies down here with a German Shepherd and just like pulled her into a bush. Just sit here and listen to this waterfall all day. Very zen, relaxing, you know. See the puppy. Homegrown. Only brought some protein bars down here with me today. 2 waters. I got me one of these guys. I like the cran mango. It's good stuff. And I wanted to show you all these if you don't know about them already. These the Celsius I was talking about. They're really good. They give you a shitload of energy. Fuck it, I'm cracking it. But it's not like a Red Bull. or anything like that. It's not like them sugary fucking energy drinks. This isn't really like an energy drink. You know? It's got all vitamins and shit in it. I scanned the barcode on the Yuka app. Know what that is? The Yuka, Y-U-K-A, Yuka. It tells you if there's like any hazardous shit, like hazardous dyes and harmful dyes and shit. And it tells you all like how much fat, sodium, and it tells you the benefits of this stuff as well. Well, check it out. Yuka app. Check it out. I learned about it from a Joe Rogan podcast. Yeah, I watch Rogan a lot. How many of y'all out there watch the Rogan podcast? Like everybody? Because doesn't like everybody in the world watch that? Man, I wish I had his views. I'll tell you that. There's a quad. Dirt bikers ruining my video, damn it. Sorry. We're only burning. We're next to the boulevard, so we're always hearing noise down here. Some sort of fucking noise. Usually it's the hum of the traffic and airplanes, fire engines, Mr. Softy. Y'all know. Oh boy, here comes some kids. Oh, this is kicked anyway. Beat. And it's kicked anyway. Just in time. Look at that. Put it back in the bag. Nifty bag. Alright. Lock it up. Holy shit. Bunch of e-bikes. And some fans. There you go. Bunch of e-bikes went by. Here I'm like video logging, baby. That's funny. People. See, they're dressed nice. They could have been coming from church. You know what I mean? They could have came from church. All right. Probably gonna wrap this one up. Wrap it up in the new Stone Hiker wrapping paper. Let's check it out. I'm serious. My girl made Stone Hiker wrapping paper. Go check it out. Click that link in my bio. Right to my shop. Right on. So I'm seeing so many people down here to recognize me today. They see me video and they're just like waving and shit. Pretty cool. That guy right there. Walking away in the gray. His name's Sal. Say hi to Sal, everybody. What's up, Sal? I've known him for a while. I used to shoot darts with him way before I got hurt. I was trying to focus in on them people. No, me, man. It's me. My video. want to try to take this to a full hour. Still can. Still can. So I got my nifty flask. I didn't put any more in it. It's only like half full. So, bottoms up. Oh yeah. Wheatley vodka, by the way. Wheatley vodka. Oh, yeah, buddy. Mr. Anderson. Somebody said I look like Hugo Weaving, you know, Agent Smith in The Matrix. A little bit, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah. I guess it's cool to look like famous people, right? Superstar. Look like a rock star. Alright, I'm gonna go chuck this in the trash. In the trash. Alright, I guess get my shit together here, huh? Alrighty. Alright, got my shit together. Well, my backpack, stuff I brought here, I wouldn't necessarily say I have my shit together. There's the waterfall on top of it. This thing right here, right there, that used to apparently turn the waterfall on and off. It apparently turned it on and off. Because this used to be like a little swim resort thing down here. And they used to be able to clean out all the fucking leaves and shit to where everybody would be able to swim in the summertime. At least that's what someone told me. I don't know, I gotta look it up. But it is a thingy, and it says open and close on it, so I mean, for something. It's for something. Yeah, we're on top of the waterfall. Little path you can walk out on. You know? It's like I don't know, 5-6 foot drop. And it's almost even with the water on this side. But the path, it's like 3 feet wide, maybe a little more than that. See, look, I'm walking on it with ease. I mean, so it's pretty cool. I like to go out there every now and again, just look at everything. The waterfall is very peaceful, just hearing it, you know. Very peaceful, indeed. Go down here, check it out from a different angle. pretty cool. I don't know why I pointed, but look at the waterfall. I like that Wheatley vodka. It's real smooth. I'm not really a vodka guy when it comes to like drinking it from a flask and doing shots of vodka, just vodka, you know? I mean, I like lemon drops and shit like that, but if I go do a shot, it's gonna be like Jaeger or Sambuca. I can't do any of that brown liquor or bourbon anymore. That stuff really... The next day, my head is pounding, like it hurts so bad. Now I'm 45, and I can get drunk off of beer, and the hangover will be there, but it won't be like that. Won't be like that. It kills me. That brown liquor fucks me up. Meaning I have a good time. I'm a happy motherfucker when I'm on it. It's just that next day I want to just put my head in an ice cube, in a giant ice block. So I like cold across my eyes when I'm hungover like that. And plus the headache is just overwhelming, throbbing. It's like a super migraine, dude. And it'll last for a good couple days. You know what I mean? It's not just like that one day you're hungover and that's it. When you're 45, man, and older, I'm learning. This is all new to me too, because it's the first time I was ever 45, you know? So, I'm learning that hangovers hurt with age. That's for sure. That's for sure. I know. I just wanted to come look at this. Under the Bridge. Play the Chili Peppers tune. Under the Bridge. Under the bridges. Oh boy. Where to? Oh, they still have caution tape on the trees. Look at that. I told you. Told you before in the old video, in another video, older video, that this caution tape sticks around for a while. Yeah, I know. I can cut it off the trees and do it out, all that, but I'd be back here all day. I'd be back here all day if I was doing that. Plus, I can't bend well. I know I didn't have to bend for that. I don't know, maybe on my way out I'll cut it. I don't know. We'll see. No cool graffiti on this side. Trapped under ice. We were just over there. And earlier, the Elvira graffiti's over right where my finger is, exactly where my finger is, right over there. You see the red up on the side? I don't know. Yeah, I do know. It's over there. It's fucking over there. You gotta stop saying I don't know, because I do know. Second highest bridge in Pennypack Park. Roosevelt Boulevard. Trying to fix my sleeve here. Hold the camera steady, douche. As you can see, we're on the asphalt trail side. Probably gonna cut up here to the upper dirt trail. Just because I haven't been on that trail in a little while. So we're gonna go see what's going on up there. See what's up with that dirt trail. And it leads up to a party spot that I believe we called it heaven back in the day. I don't know if the kids are still calling it that. I don't know. Well, it'd be cool if they were. Hello, how are you? See that lady back here all the time doing her walks. I was hoping to get that buck. Hello. Yeah, not much. I was hoping to get that buck on this video, but there was too much going on. Then the dirt bikes came. That fucker's probably like 4 miles up by now. I don't know, or hiding somewhere. Them dirt bikers really kicked up a lot of dust back there. All right, people. I'm walking up to that dirt trail. So if you didn't already, smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber already. And if you are, thank you very much. Right on. You rock. Hit that bell too so you can get a notification when I upload new videos, when I post new videos and shorts. Whew. A little bit of a hill right here. See what I mean? A little bit of a hill. Oh, I gotta catch my breath. It's alright. It's alright. A couple months and not smoking cigarettes, I'm gonna be walking up that hill like nobody's business. You know what I mean? Be running up that hill. It's a good song. Good song. Oh yeah. Right. But yeah, hit that link in my bio to the shop that my beautiful wifey to be is running, and she designs everything in there. And she just came out with a like a bucket hat line. And yes, she put a picture of this bucket hat on a bucket hat, and it says, hey, 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 go check it out. There's all different stuff with the bucket hats on it, you know. She put it on like backpacks, you know, all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. Ooh, she's flying down there, look at that. Zoom. So I can ride a bike. I can't wait till I get that truck. All right, but either way, you all have a good day. Stay safe out there, people. Hit that link in my bio. Go check out all my merch. Go get some stoned merch. Go get that stone merch. But any event, stay safe, stay stoned, people.